guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today we have an Orly box. It is the winter/holiday 2023 Colorpass subscription box. And we're going to open it and we're going to look at what's in here and then we're going to do some nails with it. So let's get started. So when we first open it, this is what we see. And this is when you take the paper out. 'Twas the night, Orly Holiday 2023. Look at those hands. I need a hand model. I need to be a hand model for Orly. Alright, so let's have a look at the card. Here's what we got. It says, "'Twas the night of the sugar plum soiree, where swirling shades danced across the glade. The dark green regal pine stood tall, while copper spark lit the ball. Ready to give the holiday season a spin, this magical collection is where it will begin." How fancy. We've got a couple of bonus items in here, and then a little tutorial for a simple nail art, and then of course some samples of what we can expect as far as our polishes. Spark, Sugar Plum Soiree, Regal Pine, Velvet Ribbon, Cozy Night, and Snow Angel. Let's look at them. First, one of our bonus items, we got nail stickers. These remind me of those stickers they gave us in the summer. It's just a little assorted pack of decoratives. They are related to the holidays, so that is seasonally appropriate. Our additional item is in here. It is a full-size polish in the shade Eternal Quest. We'll come back to this for swatching with the others. And the pièce de résistance, of course, the box. Cute box. Here's the back. It does have also the examples of the polishes as well. And when we open it, this is what we have. So we have a glitter flaky, and then it looks to be a shimmer and some creams. Let's pull them out of here and make some swatches. Alright, let's look at these colors. This was the bonus one. Again, that shade was Eternal Quest. Look at that. It is a dark blue with a micro glitter. It is stunning. Look how beautiful that is. That is a shimmer all up in there. I love that. That is perfect for this season. I love to use everything in that style of decoration this time of year. Goes great with a silver. Here's the next one that we had, this gold flake. It is in a clear base. It's called Spark. This one's probably going to be more of a topper and may need a little build up. If you wipe it on, it tends to pull a lot of it off, but if you kind of dab at it a bit, you can get it to stick on there and then smooth it around where you need to. I like that. I like that a lot. It's a gold flake, and so with a gold flake you can jazz up any other color and make that look just a little bit more elegant. If you wanted to wear it on your own, you could, but I don't think personally that I would. Alright, next we have this one. This one's a purple. I can see there's a bit of a shimmer in here. It's got this, maybe it's a metallic something. Let's look at it. Sugar Plum Soiree. Oop. Put too much and it dripped off. Goodness gracious. That is pretty. I'll have to clean that up. I like that. You know, it's not a cream, but it's nearly a cream. That finish isn't overpowering. It's there, but I think those brush strokes may disappear when it dries down. But also, I put too much. That's my bad. And here we have this green. This one is a cream. A great Christmas green is really hard to find. Regal Pine. Alright, look at that creamy consistency. These colors go on so smoothly and so completely. They're so opaque. That is really one of my favorite things about Orly It is just such a high quality brand of polish. Orly, holler at me, let's partner up. I love these products. They are my biggest collection in all the polishes I own, and I have a lot. Great stuff. We have this red one. This red in real life, I don't know if it looks the same as in the viewfinder. It seems a little bit lighter, but I think it's more of a salsa red. It's called Velvet Ribbon. Very beautiful, same as the green. Very creamy, very opaque. I think I got a hair in it. I can see a ripple in the light line. Can you see it? Yeah, I think you can if I do it like this. Darn cats. Yeah, that's a really nice red. That will do just fine for this season. My swatch stick is crooked. Let's look at this blue. This blue seems to be like a dark teal, and teals are pretty popular the last few years. It's called Cozy Night. And the same with its friends. It is a cream. It is very smooth, very opaque, very complete coverage. It's very nice. I like that. I could have put it on better there, but I like that. It's pretty. I don't know if this is the color I would choose for Christmas myself, but I think that it is a nice color. It is definitely a good one to have added to my collection, and I can think of some uses. I have one that's kind of a terracotta color that I think would look nice with this. This may actually be really good for this Day of the Dead nails that I'm needing to do. And the last one, this one is a light blue, almost white. It's called Snow Angel. Look at that. How cute. There is a nail art design where people put down a polish and then they use like a toothpick or something to write in it as if you're drawing in the snow. This would probably be really good for that. It does kind of give that snow look, and it's not stark white. I like that. I might use this today. I'm not sure because I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I'm going to figure that out. So here are the 6 polishes that we did get in Twas the Night, the 2023 Winter Holiday Colorpass collection. These are, I believe, $36 a box if you buy them individually, a little bit less each if you buy them by the year. Definitely go check them out. I'll leave the link in the description. I don't get anything if you sign up, but this is a really great way to get great polishes at a great price. And the fun of not knowing what you're going to get, and always a pleasant surprise because it's good stuff. I've never had a box that I hated. Let's go do some nail art. These are the 3 I've decided to use today. It was quite a difficult choice actually, because technically it is still October when I am recording this, and so the urge to do Halloween nails is very strong, but this is not a Halloween themed nail box, and also I don't really want super Christmassy nails yet either, so I'm like, I gotta do something that's kind of in between but still honors the season of the nails. But I figured it out. We're definitely have to do 2 coats because that is transparent. This one I'm going to say you kind of got to be a little bit of careful working with because it is runny. I keep running it in here even though I'm not putting it in my cuticles. It finds its way into them. That's unusual. Better luck with this one. Surely it's a cream, so it's a little bit of a thicker consistency. Actually, this one is also runny. What's going on, Orly? What's with this box? What's with this formulas? They're not even the same finishes. Why are they so liquid? They're still very beautiful. I don't know if I'm tripping, but I feel like this white, I say white, but this snow polish is like minty scented. That's gotta be all in my head because nail polish is not supposed to be fragrant. Let's do our second coat and be a little bit more aware of how much polish we have on the brush. Try not to flood. Did a better job, but I actually just stuck it to myself. There we go, beautiful. It also doesn't spread too smoothly if your brush is too dry. Luckily, nail polish does not cause me any allergies, so if I get it on my skin, it's whatever, I can clean it up. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with the Orly Polish Shield to seal these colors in. And then let's put some flakes on. I think these gold flakes look really pretty on top of this purple. Kinda can work them where you want them though. Maybe even do 2 coats. Yeah, I'd like more than that, but I think we're going to have to let that dry down and try some more. Let's put some over here as well. Actually got a good amount on that one. I don't know if that's going to need a second coat. Let's see what they look like over here on this white. I keep calling it white, but it's not white. It's a light blue, this snow color. It's pretty neat. It's definitely a different vibe. I like it still, but it's different for sure. So like over here, this one's giving me like a china, like porcelain, whereas this one's giving me elegance, which they're both expensive items, I guess, but elegance is an item, it's a concept. You get it. Let's add some more to this one. Yes. That's pretty good. I actually do think I am going to put a dab more here. Not too much, but some. I like that. What do you guys think so far? I think it's looking pretty cute. Let's go over here. Yeah? We're going to put some rhinestones in here. And I've got some gold ones. Okay, so we're going to use this 4 rhinestones only from China Glaze. If Orly had a product like this, I would use it. This is really great stuff. If you're looking for a rhinestone adhesive that is a regular nail polish air dry product, this is the one to use. It sticks. I have rhinestones on here for weeks with this stuff. I'm going to put some on a palette. And then I like to use this little brush to apply my little drops of the rhinestone adhesive, and then a wax pencil to pick up my rhinestones and stick them on like that. And so that's my process. And so let's just do that real quick. I've got some set out already in the design that I would like, so that we can just get them put on. You do want to do it kind of one at a time though, because if you just were to like paint it on and then go to sticking it in like you would with a gel, it's going to be dry before you have a chance to get it all on there, and that is not the goal. But my favorite thing about working with an air dry one like this is you don't have to worry about your product sliding away as you're getting your placement in. So you can focus on your one item at a time, and then when you've got it exactly the way that you want it, you move on to the next thing. See, I've got that on, so now I'm ready to move to the next piece. And don't worry about having this excess product around the edge, because it is going to dry down thin, just like every other regular nail polish product, and we are going to go around and reinforce it anyway, and then do some additional top coating to make it nice and smooth. And then let's do this nail as well. Okay, does that look pretty straight to you? I think it looks pretty straight to me. Pretty glistening. It's cute. Yes. Okay, let's back it up a little bit. Alright, so that is how we're going to leave those. I'm going to give that a moment to dry, and then I'm going to go around them with this little brush and some more 4 rhinestones only, and just kind of go around the edges, make sure everything is sealed in well, reinforce it, and then for the big parts you can use the bottle brush, and then cover these in with another layer of top coat. So I'll be right back to do all that. Okay, I am just going to quickly go around the edges of this and show you how I reinforce these, just to make sure they are very, very secure for a long time. Okay, now we have come full circle, and that one is completely gone around. All of the edges are sealed in, so these stones aren't going anywhere. Let's do the same thing over here. When you have big open spaces, it's easy when you use the bottle brush. So now that those are sealed in, let's do a last layer of top coat on the other nails. You don't have to do a separate top coat over the 4 rhinestones only, because it is a top coat on its own. Alright, I'd say that was easy enough, and I think these are really cute. I think the colors that we got worked well together. I was not able to use all the ones in the box, but to expect you to all at once would be a task. The good thing about these boxes is you get a lot, so you can use them over a variety of nail sets over a variety of times, and you don't have to use them all together. You're not stuck with just one look. Let me know, what do you think? What do you think of these nails? Do you like them? Do you like the colors that I chose to use today? Do you like what came in the box? Do you get these boxes, or would you like to? Again, the link will be below if you would like to sign up. As always, I'll get you photos outside, and I'll wrap this up here as well. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I definitely do appreciate your interaction. Please be subscribed. It helps my channel. Make sure you are watching my videos until the end. Sometimes I put things down here at the end that I don't necessarily mention in the beginning, and so you want to make sure that you are here to know about that. And thank you for liking the video. It helps the algorithm. It helps push out my content. It helps me know that you like the video that I actually made. And then thank you for leaving me comments. I love to talk to you and to hear what you have to say. Your opinions are important to me, and I love to have that conversation with you in the comments below. And definitely make sure you're following my socials. I post things over there that don't always make it over here, and we can chat there too. Let me know if there's anything you want to see in particular, and I can do my best to bring you the content that you want to see. But that's it. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.